My brother never said my name, he always said he or that. When I asked, Mom said something happened in childhood. I watched old videos. In one, my 3-year-old brother was saying my name, and then suddenly. My brother never said my name. It was always he or that. It had been like this since childhood. Not because of any specific reason, but it just was. Whenever we talked, he would refer to me or point to me, and if any question arose, he would always pass by saying he or that. I never paid much attention to it, but when I finally asked, Mom said, something happened in childhood, and he knows you in a completely different way. This confused me. I asked Mom more about it, but she didn't know much either. Maybe he did all of this unconsciously, but I felt like something was being hidden from me. How did it all start? Why didn't he ever say my name? I decided to watch some old videos. In those videos, just like always, he was a 3-year-old child, and I saw him saying my name in one of the videos with his little hands. This video was a minor moment, but there was something in it that I had never noticed before. First witness, my sister. Do you remember, when he was little, he always talked about you. But then something happened, something that changed him. He used to talk a lot about you and say your name, but then as he grew up, he changed his way. My sister said. But my sister couldn't remember exactly what it was. She only knew that, in her eyes, the relationship between me and my brother had become distant. She said, we all saw a change in him, he was changing. Second witness, the neighbor's daughter. I always heard him referring to you by name, but then, one day, he wasn't saying your name. I remember the day when you both were playing outside. You asked, will you play with me? And he just laughed and didn't say anything. The neighbor's daughter told me. Her words kept echoing in my mind. Was this the moment when something happened? That little boy, who once said my name, why didn't he say it anymore? Had he really done something? Third witness, his colleague. One day, one of his colleagues said something that made my confusion even deeper. He used to always mention you, but then, after a few months, he stopped saying your name. I felt like his heart had changed. The colleague's words planted a new thought in my mind. Fourth witness, my children told me. Look, Mom, now he doesn't say the things he used to say. I feel like he's distancing himself from you. Maybe there's something inside him we don't know about. My children told me. Hearing this, I felt the change inside him once again. Everything that had been hidden was now starting to come to light. Fifth witness, a family get-together. One day, there was a big family gathering, and I decided to invite everyone so they could face the truth. I gathered them all in one room and asked them one question. Is it true that my brother has never said my name? Everyone went silent, and I saw the truth in their eyes that had been hidden for so long. Slowly, each one of them acknowledged the truth. Finally, I spoke with my own voice. Now you all know the truth. My brother's silence and his response changed everything. A sad smile appeared on his face, which said so much without him saying a word. He knew that now I had brought the truth to light, and there was no justification for it. After that, I faced the truth. And the peace I had always been searching for, I found it. If you enjoyed this story and found it impactful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more heartfelt content. Your support means the world to us, and we'd love to have you as part of our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next story.